Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time in which your Nintendo Switch 2 enters sleep mode. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you don't want your Nintendo Switch 2 to enter sleep mode too quickly. How do you actually go ahead and change that time? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But let's first go ahead and open up our Nintendo Switch 2, go into System Settings, and then navigate to where it says Sleep Mode. So click on Sleep Mode. So notice we have a variety of different options here. So your Nintendo Switch 2 will auto sleep after 10 minutes if it's on the system screen. However, if it's connected to the TV and you're not playing, it's going to auto sleep after 1 hour. But all you've got to do is just click on it, and then you can adjust the sleep times here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust the sleep mode timers on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.